Oh, there's another one. Is it?
Yeah, it's been drawn on.
Has it? There's a bunch of stuff over here. What is this? Looks like a stereo or something. That right there.
That is well, it's something you already have.
Printer.
Yeah. Hey, look at there. It's a flute.
I know, I see that.
A little. Let me see if I can reach it.
Okay. You want the pincers? That's software up.
It's pretty.
Oh, okay, cool.
You want it?
Yeah. Be good for decorations. I wouldn't put my mouth on it.
Hey, give me the pincers.
You ain't even tried these yet, have you?
Look at that, it's brand
Let me
freaking
see.
new.
Yeah.
How did they find me? For her birthday.
On my birthday. I think this is trash in here.
I don't remember where it's at.
I found a necklace.
Hey, you're not supposed to be up on that. You can fall, baby.
Yeah, I'm right.
Look.
Yeah.
Shit, I could have busted it, I think.
Oh, wow.
I did. You know what? You're just going to
Yeah. Wow, look at all the stuff you found already.
You can always do that.
Yeah. What's that little pink bucket? Give me that.
Hold on.
It's a jackpot. Hand me that purple bucket.
What?
That purple bucket.
You don't
And the lid. I don't want the trash in it.
That's not trash. That's some Legos.
Legos.
It was upside down. They're both.
The lid's all taped up for some reason. Teacup. That's cute.
Here.
You're what?
Yeah.
You going in?
Yeah, I'm going in. How's that?
Watch what you step on. If you see a good box in here, that ain't got a hole in it. Oh, that's nasty. It's a colander. Yeah. What is that plastic thing right there? To your left.
This?
That glass, yeah. Is that a fish bowl? Yeah.
It's a fish brown. We already have one we can't get rid of.
I feel like there's something, look, that 3X thing right here. Looks like diapers. Is that diapers too? Yeah.
There's that dirty pad.
Well, give me that green one. Is that a rug? Oh.
It was a paint.
Goes to the back of the room or something. What's that wooden thing behind you?
What?
What's that wooden thing behind you?
It's broke. I already looked at it.
There's something black right there. Right here. Baby, right here.
It's that pillow.
What's that jewelry thing? That's all?
I think that's all.
So if I see something in there. It's magnetized, whatever it is. Cool.
Hot pads?
Towels. It goes to something. Shut the blind back.
Medicated. There's some pets.
What's this silver thing over here? There's a silver thing over here. See it right here?
What?
Oh, okay. Pull that on it. You know, come here, I'm gonna pull it. Can you see what this silver thing is for me?
What? Okay, I'm coming out of here.
Right here, this silver thing. Okay, I just want to see what it is. Alright, now we gotta blow all this up. Y'all wanna watch him get out? Alright, we're gonna load this up onto the next